Welcome back to Dad Deals for more things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in March 2025. We have a lot of things to talk about in this video. First off, Harbor Freight just kicked off today their 10 days of deals. And we'll get into the deal of the day today. The next one tomorrow has already been leaked. And I have some clues on what the rest of the 10 days of deals will be. So stay tuned for that. We also have the Spring Black Friday ad that recently got leaked. And I'll let you know some of my top picks for that sale coming up. And then even more leaks, I have the rest of the weekend deals for the rest of March to talk about, as well as new coupons. There's a lot to cover here, and I don't want to waste any time. But as always, please like the video if you find it helpful, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. So the first deal of the day, this is today, Monday, March 17th only. You can get the U.S. General 6-drawer full bank service cart for $120 off at $480, a great price. All the colors here are available, just a great cabinet. But that is today only, Monday, March 17th, that's St. Patrick's Day. So maybe opt for the green color if you want. But if you're interested in this, definitely rush to your store, as I'm sure stock will be pretty limited. So the next deal, day 2 of the 10 days of deals, has already been shown on the site. This is going to be the Icon Professional Master Ball Joint and Joint Press Set, a 20-piece set here for $180, $50 off. Now, I don't know the exact items that are going to be for the rest of the 10 days, but over on Reddit, an employee leaked the categories. So day 1 was large storage. We know what that is, that U.S. General full bank cabinet. Day 2 is going to be auto maintenance. We know what that is. So day 3 is listed as PT grinding and OPE. Day 4 is a con demo and material handling. Day 5 is OPE and OPT day. Now, I believe OPE and OPT stand for outdoor power equipment and tools. Day 6 is going to be generators and plumbing. Day 7 is going to be winches and auto lifts. Day 8 will be auto detailing and sockets. Day 9 will be auto maintenance, auto lube, shop equipment, and day 10 will be auto lifts. So yeah, not a ton of information there. Maybe if you have any purchases coming up in any of those categories, hold off until you see what the deal of the day is going to be. But I hope that gives you some kind of information. That's the only information that I could find. So the next leak that I found are all of the upcoming weekend sales. So Harbor Freight almost always has a weekend deal. We saw this past weekend was the extended parking lot sale. But your upcoming weekend is going to start on March 21st. Is going to be a free tool with a minimum purchase of $25. And then ITC members will get a free tool with any purchase. Your next weekend, which will be March 28th, will be 30% off any single item under $10, and then 15% off any single item over $10. Do keep in mind that is not the typical where you're kind of unlimited or you can get at least 5 things. That is just one single item. And then the first weekend in April, that'll be April 4th, will be a free item, no purchase required. I don't have any information on what those items will be, but it will be a free tool item. And then we have the upcoming Spring Black Friday sale. Now, this ad was leaked and it was kind of lackluster. I didn't think it was that great of an ad, or I was expecting a lot more. Now, I do think just like these other ads have been recently, Harbor Freight will add a bunch of items about a week before the event starts. So definitely stay tuned for that. I do expect this to be expanded quite a bit, as their Spring Black Friday is usually a big sale for them. But some of the marquee things that stick out to me in this ad were the 35% off all Icon pliers, screwdrivers, and hammers. They also had 35% off all jack stands, 50% off welding wire rods and tips. And then I also like to see this Icon professional shop seat. I've had this for a while. I love this thing. And this is a great price. This is their normal Black Friday price. So it's not surprising to see this in the Spring Black Friday sale. But this is going to be $70. That's pretty much as low as I've ever seen it go. So if you're interested in this shop seat, that would be a great time to pick it up. So yeah, a bunch of leaks going on. Let me know what you're excited about. Maybe what you think those 10 days of deals, the rest of them are going to be. But now let's get on to the coupons. These are available right now. They just dropped these spring savings coupons today, and these are good until the end of the month, March 31st. But you can get 30% off all paintbrushes and rollers. I love getting my paintbrushes over at Harbor Freight. I think they already have some of the best deals, especially when you compare to like Home Depot and Lowe's, places like that. So 30% off everything. That's a killer deal. If you have any paint projects coming up, definitely stock up. They also have 20% off all bar clamps. These bar clamps are awesome. They're also much cheaper than you'll find anywhere else. So if you're a woodworker out there, you'll definitely want to stock up and hit this sale. All bar clamps 20% off. Now you will need coupons for all this stuff, so you will need to show this at the cash register. Another massive deal in this coupon drop is the Hallmaster. This is the brand new custom modular utility trailer. This is already $100 off at $900. So if you've been waiting, it's paid off at least $100 worth. So check this one out, $100 off at $900. They also have the Predator 2-stroke gas cultivator. So if you have any garden beds that you're trying to get ready for the spring and summertime, this could be really helpful. This is $20 off right now at $200. Can also get some garden shears to do some pruning this season for $10. That's a killer price. Maybe spruce up your outdoor deck or patio space with some LED string lights. This is a 24-foot strand. You can get them in either black or white, and they are $20. A killer deal on this random orbital palm sander from Bauer. It is corded, but this is 50% off right now at just $20. Some garden sprayers on sale. Now is the perfect time to put down your pesticide or herbicides. Here's the 2-gallon version for $12. They also have the 4-gallon backpack version for $22. These aren't the best sprayers out there, but they get the job done, and they're probably the cheapest option. And I also like having multiple of these so I don't have to worry about cross-contamination as much. So definitely get them while they're cheap. A brand new item that's hitting stores, kind of a funny item. If you're familiar with IKEA, this is pretty much the exact same thing as those IKEA bags. But you can get a Harbor Freight bag, or some people are calling this a purse. But this is a 19-gallon extra large bag. It is a great price at 69 cents. I couldn't resist picking one up. But yeah, I could definitely see this thing being awesome during their 30% off anything $20 or $10 and under sales. You could really stock up, fill this thing up, and be out the door in your Harbor Freight purse. So definitely check out this 69 cents. Some dollar day items are still out there. Here are the Pittsburgh 1-inch steel spring clamps for just $1. These are great if you're going to be camping and you hold a tablecloth onto a picnic table. They're really great for that. Bunch of uses for these outside of just being a clamp. They also have those jumbo aluminum hooks for just $1. I've shown them a bunch. I like to use them on my strollers to hold my kids' water bottles, but you can use these for groceries. Just a bunch of uses for this. And they have the nice foam handle on them too, so you can really use them as a handle. And just $1, that's a great price. Some safety glasses for $2. Throw these everywhere in your truck, your shop, your garage, everywhere you can. Throw them so you always have them nice and handy, just $2. A torpedo level, a 6-inch version for just $2. Another no-brainer item here. If you need one, throw these everywhere, any toolbox that you have, so you always have it. Some needle nose pliers for just $2. These are the really small versions. They're great at getting into really tight spaces. Your tire repair kit is $4. It's 41% off. Put these in every car you have just in case of an emergency. You don't have to be waiting hours for AAA or anything like that. You can take care of it yourself, and for just $4. That's some cheap insurance right there. A newer item, here are the Grant's 5-inch universal microfiber polishing pads. It's a 2-pack for just $8. They also have their headlight restoration system. I picked this up a while ago. It worked great on my old 4Runner, but this is just $10 right now. It comes with everything you need: sanding disc, polishing pad, the drill adapter, the cream, even some masking tape. Probably the cheapest brad nailer that you'll see. This is tool only. You will need to have a battery. They do actually have a sale going on right now where if you buy a battery starter kit in Bauer, you can get this tool for free with it. So definitely check out that. Or if you just want this tool only, it is on sale for $80, 20% off. Upgrade your blowgun. Here's the Merlin pistol grip version for just $4. Great to have around the shop. Some loading ramps, 1,000-pound capacity for loading a lawnmower or ATV, anything like that. $75, 25% off right now. If you have any upcoming road trips and you need some extra storage in your minivan or anywhere else, just make sure you have a hitch. This is the hitch-mounted cargo carrier. It's on sale for $45, 25% off. If you have a dirt bike or other motorcycle and you need to carry it, here's a motorcycle carrier, also hitch-mounted for $145. I do wonder if this could also be used for e-bikes. So if anyone has this, let me know if you can use it for that, or if maybe the spaces for the tires are a little bit too big. You have your Pittsburgh 1/2-inch drive impact socket extension set, a 4-piece set for $7, 30% off. The Icon 1/4-inch drive professional swivel head ratchet with the comfort grip is $25. Your pick and hook set, this is a really nice professional one from Icon, has the nice comfort grip handles. Of course, you can get that cheap one. Maybe that will be the free item in April, but here's the professional Icon version of this, and it is $15 right now. You also have the Quinn 1/2-inch drive extendable breaker bar on sale for $20. That's a great price. Your Doyle 10-inch adjustable soft jaw pliers is $20 as well. The Icon 3-position slip joint pliers are $15, 25% off. If you're always misplacing these hitch clips like I am, definitely get this 150-piece assortment set. I don't really know why anyone would need 150 of these, but they're just $5 for all of these. They come in all the different sizes. I love putting all the stuff in my shop on casters, and here are the nice rubber ones. So they're nice and quiet for just 99 cents a piece. Also, check out the 6-foot by 8-foot greenhouse. That's $120 off at $230. Maybe you can get a head start on your gardening this year. The Avanti handheld paint sprayer is $50. I have seen this go as low as about $40 during their big sales, but if you need one, $50 is still a great price for this one. Maybe if you're going to stain your fence or do any other outdoor painting projects, check out this. The Bauer 3-gallon wet dry vacuum is $30. That's 25% off. Just a great, small, compact vacuum here, especially if you don't mind having a cord and running an extension cord. They also have their jumbo hooks. These are great for hanging up bikes. That's what I mainly use mine for. They're just $1.50. They're the cheapest way you'll ever get at organizing all your bikes. They can hang them vertically on the wall. They're easy to take on and off, and that's a great price. These next deals are for Inside Track Club members only. That's the yearly subscription. But next up, we have the Warrior 10-inch table saw, probably the cheapest table saw that you can ever buy. Obviously not the greatest, but at just $105, you're not going to find anything cheaper than this out there. So if you need a table saw for maybe a quick project or two, check this one out. They also have a nice step stool that'd be great in the shop. It folds up nicely out of the way. It is $30. You have your Pittsburgh Pro deep socket set. It's color coded, so you can make sure you grab the right size. And it's just $10 for the set. A nice Pittsburgh plier set here, 6-piece for $10 as well. If you still have some leaves and sticks and twigs to clean up in your yard, check out the Portland electric chipper and shredder. This is $100 right now and can really help you mulch that stuff up. A great 2-way hose connector at a great price, just $4.79. I've had this one for a while. It works great. These Bauer folding sawhorses, I know they're plastic. I know they're not the best, but these do have built-in squeeze clamps, and they do get the job done. They're easy to store. They're lightweight, so they do have a purpose. These are just $20. That's still a great price and much cheaper than you'll find any of the other ones like this. A butane micro torch is just $9. These are great for cleaning up 3D prints if you have a 3D printer. Just a ton of uses for these. The Warrior power cutter is great at opening those tough clamshell cases that everything comes in these days. But this is rechargeable and it's $25. I love these US General magnetic accessory holders. Here is the spray can and screwdriver holder, available in a bunch of colors for just $10. If you have any camping trips coming up, check out this parachute hammock for just $15. Rolls up into a super compact size. You can take it anywhere. Your Quinn 11-inch shop shears are just $7. Not much of a discount, but these are super nice scissors to have. And then one more deal here is the Voyager 10-pocket, kind of classic old school carpenter's leather tool belt for just $13. So yeah, a ton of stuff going on here in March. Let me know down in the comments below what you're after, what you think the best deals are. And again, as always, like the video if you find it helpful, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.